Okay, I have a Brinks 6-pin. It has a quick set type keyway in it. The lock does work. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, there's no other markings on the lock to tell what model number it is. So let's put it in the vise and open it up. Take a look at the pins. Let's use top of the keyway. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's pin 6. Pin 2. Pin 1. Okay, there's pin 5. Pin 1 and 2 again, or 2 and 1. Let's go to the back again. Okay, open on pin 5. I believe it was pin 5. Might have been pin 6, but I think it's pin 5. Okay, the lock is open. Okay, I think we can get it off without locking it back up. If we do, we have a key for it, so see if we can get this opened up. Okay, got that out of the way. We did turn this a little bit too far though, but there we go. Let's turn this just right so we can take them out of the back. See if this will work. Okay, all 6 pins are in and working. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all serrated. Okay, no change has been made to the plug. But all the key pins are serrated and are partially spool. Go back the other way with it. Okay, we knock 2 of them out at the same time. That does fit fairly tight. Okay, no change has been made to the Bible. Let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, this is a spool serrated pin on top, serrated pin on bottom, another serrated pin in the top. This is a acetype pin or trampoline type pin, similar. Okay, on 4, 5, and 6, all pins in the bottom are serrated. This is a short serrated pin, and a kind of like a spool serrated pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Brinks 6-pin. I appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal, and thank you again for watching.